Your life at every level of bank account, $0 to $10 million. The liquid illusion. In America, we are taught a simple lie: earn more money, and your problems will disappear. But if that were true, why are 60% of people making over $100,000 a year still living paycheck to paycheck? Why does a corporate executive earning $250,000 feel just as trapped as a retail worker making $20,000? The truth is terrifying. The system isn't designed to make you rich. It is designed to keep you on a treadmill. The moment your income increases, the matrix silently adjusts its gravity. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it is the ultimate weapon used to keep the middle class economically paralyzed. Today, we look into the dark psychology of wealth through the lens of cold, hard cash. We are breaking down the exact mental shifting points at every level of liquidity, from holding absolutely nothing, to the invisible chains of stacking millions. If you are earning money but still feel trapped, pay close attention to the numbers. You are likely falling for the illusion of liquidity. Level 1, the critical zone. $0 to $1,000. Level 1. Having between $0 and $1,000 in liquid cash. In the modern economy, this is what we call the absolute vulnerability phase. When your bank account sits at this tier, you are not living, you are surviving in a permanent state of high alert panic. Your brain operates continuously in a primitive fight or flight mode. Every notification sound on your phone causes a micro spike in your stress levels, because you already know what the screen is going to say. At this stage, you do not have the luxury of thinking about the future. You cannot plan for next year, let alone 5 years from now. Your entire cognitive processing power is spent calculating how to survive the next 72 hours. An unexpected flat tire, a minor medical bill, or a small rent increase isn't just an inconvenience, it is a catastrophic event that can push you straight into ruin. The worst part of level 1 isn't the lack of material things. It's the absolute lack of dignity. You are forced to say yes to every terrible shift, accept every toxic condition, and swallow your pride for a paycheck, because your survival is tied to a fragile thread. Level 2, the comfort trap. $10,000 to $50,000. Level 2. Moving into the $10,000, $20,000, or $50,000 liquid range. Welcome to the zone of false security. For the first time in your life, you can finally breathe. The crushing weight of immediate survival lifts off your chest. If your car breaks down, you don't panic, you simply swipe your debit card and pay for the repair. You move into a safer neighborhood. You can afford to buy organic groceries without checking the price tags. You feel like you've won the game. But here lies the psychological trap of level 2. Because you have a safety net, you stop running hard. You look at your 5-figure balance and convince yourself that you are safe from the matrix. But you aren't. Having $50,000 liquid means you are protected for maybe 6 months of a crisis, but you remain entirely dependent on your active daily labor to maintain it. Even worse, while that cash sits stagnant in a basic checking account, the silent beast of inflation is eating away its purchasing power every single hour. You have escaped the trenches, but you are still locked inside the prison yard. Level 3, the golden anchor. $100,000 to $500,000. Level 3. Breaking into the 6-figure liquid tier, holding between $100,000 and $500,000 in cash. This is where the economic game turns deeply psychological. At this level, you have more cash than 95% of the world. You have a massive financial cushion. You could stop working tomorrow and survive comfortably for 2 or 3 years. But instead of feeling completely free, a strange, suffocating paranoia takes over. In personal finance, this is known as the gilded handcuffs. When you have a few $100,000 in cash, you become terrified of losing your position. You have worked too hard to get here, and your lifestyle has inflated to match your high status. You find yourself trapped in a high-stress corporate machine or a grueling business that eats up 80 hours of your week. You want to quit, you want to start your dream project, you want to build your own company, but you are paralyzed. The cash acts as a beautiful weight. You are too rich to complain, but too dependent on the corporate structure to be truly free. You are holding a fortune, but the fortune is holding you back. Level 4, Sovereign Freedom. $1 million to $10 million. Level 4. Crossing the ultimate threshold. $1 million, $5 million, to $10 million liquid. At this stage, the economic matrix loses all its power over your life. When you have millions of dollars sitting in high-yield vehicles, treasury bills, or diversified cash-flowing assets, your money generates more money in a single week than a normal job pays in an entire year. You have officially transitioned from a consumer to a sovereign entity. At $10 million, the value of material luxury drops to absolute zero. A luxury sports car or a designer brand doesn't excite you anymore because you can buy 100 of them today without denting your balance. The only asset that matters to you now is absolute autonomy. You possess the power to say no to anyone, any contract, any government, or any corporate entity on earth. You don't wake up to an alarm, you wake up to your own curiosity. You have won the economic war, realizing the ultimate truth. True wealth isn't about owning the most expensive things, it is about owning every single second of your time. Conclusion, the real wealth equation. The journey from 0 to $10 million isn't just a numbers game, it's a psychological evolution. Cash can buy comfort, security, and ultimate freedom, but it can never cure your inner insecurities, your greed, or your internal emptiness. If you do not find peace when your account is low, a multi-million-dollar balance will only amplify your internal chaos. Master your mindset, protect your cash flow, and remember, your bank account should be a tool to buy back your freedom, not a scorecard to feed your ego. Which level are you currently navigating? Let us know in the comments below. If this documentary shifted your perspective on wealth, hit the like button and subscribe to Mindvest. We will see you in the next breakdown. Stay smart, invest wise. Mart, invest wise.